Hello and welcome to Simple Lockpicking. Today I'm going to show you an Israeli padlock from the company named Peled. You can see here it's written in Hebrew, so people who can read Hebrew, here is the name. So this is a 12mm shackle padlock, very heavy, looks like a very break resistant and cut resistant. Anyway, it's not shimmable, by the way, and I found it very simple to pick it. So let me show you that. By the way, this is very common padlock in small, medium businesses, outside gate of each business. I see it many times in the streets. Sometimes the core sometimes can be from companies, other companies like Rav Bariach and Multilock and Magnum, but the outside design is very similar. I'll maybe show you in the future some the same lock with other cores. So let's start picking. I'm going to use power 25,000 and a tension wrench on the bottom of the keyway. Let's go ahead and start picking, see if we have a quick lock here. Okay, don't need any vise here, just holding it with my hands, and let's begin. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, freeze, binding tightly. Click there. Number 4, boom. This is big binder. Click there. And don't get a feel on number 5. Oh, gotta click on number 5. And let's go back to the beginning. Number 2, I feel something. Click on number 2. And number 1. What about you, mister? Felt a click on number 1. It's back. Nothing on 4, nothing on 5. If I have an oversize something, so I'll have to release the tension. Okay, releasing the tension a little bit. Okay. Number 1 was overset. Let's see. Now it's binding. Let's just oh, got it. Took longer than expected, and we got this open. Number 1 was the last one. Just didn't get enough feel on it. So, if you could see how quickly I took it apart, I think it was 2 minutes. So let's disassemble it and see what's inside. Alright, we got a Phillips screw inside. Okay, twist it a little bit. My screwdriver not that strong, but I think I can. It's enough for me to twist. Let's see. If not, I have to cut the video and start over. Come on. Okay. I'll have to cut the video for a second. I'm pausing the video and bring a better screwdriver or better try to tension it with a plier or something. Okay, and we are back. I didn't find another better screwdriver, so I'll try to open it with the Leatherman. I think I got it. Okay. I think it's a ball bearing actuator. There is a screw. Okay, so here's how it works. Okay. There's some kind of an actuator goes in. What's twisting it? Where is it? Second. Oh, okay, there it is. This one connect to the core from here. The core just twisting the actuator that way and locks the shackle. This is how it works. Unfortunately, I don't see any way to take apart the core. It's all one piece. Maybe in another video I'll try to drill it or something and show you what's inside. So that's all I have for you today. You decide how secure is this pellet lock, and thank you very much for watching. And if you like this video and want to see more like it, you can subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Thank you very much.